Welcome to our deep dive into cattle health management. Today we'll explore the importance of monitoring gastrointestinal nematode infections in first season grazing calves and discuss how antibody testing can help improve herd health. Serum pepsinogen concentration is a critical indicator of gastrointestinal infections in cattle. However, its complex and costly testing process limits its use in everyday practice. This is where antibody testing comes in as a promising alternative. The Svanavir Ostertagia antibody ELISA test quantifies antibodies against gastrointestinal nematodes. Unlike pepsinogen testing, it is easy to automate and offers high reproducibility, making it a valuable tool for farmers. Recent studies have shown that antibody levels in calves typically increase throughout the grazing season. An optical density ratio of 0.5 can indicate nematode exposure, though this can vary geographically. Our field study confirms a good correlation between mean serum pepsinogen concentration and Ostertagia antibody levels at the end of the grazing season. It is worth noting that while pepsinogen gives a direct assessment of infection impact, antibody levels reflect past exposure. Unlike serum pepsinogen level, Ostertagia antibody levels do not drop suddenly after ant helminthic treatment or housing. This makes it suitable for assessing past GI nematode exposure if samples are taken during the housing period. Our analysis shows that an end-season ODR of 0.72 could indicate a need for intervention before significant production losses occur. The end-of-season antibody test is a valuable addition to the toolbox of sustainable parasite control strategies. Integrating it into routine health monitoring will enhance cattle welfare and productivity.